Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess what was in my mailbox? Oh yes, let's unbox it, shall we? Oh my goodness, I just love paper pumpkins so much. So let's get out some little scissors here and see what we've got. I haven't seen it, I haven't done any sneak peeks, nothing. So this is all gonna be a surprise for both of us. All right. Let me just get this out real quick. It says February paper pumpkin and celebration go together like birthdays and cake. Take a peek at our amazing celebration. Happy birthday to you stamp set. Okie dokie. Oh, the February kit. Oh, so they're gonna maybe coordinate. How cool is that? And then this one is called I'll Be Yours. Oh, and it will coordinate with the Heart Punch pack. So those 2 punches that I've been showing you guys. How cool! All right, let's go ahead and see what we've got here. First things first. Oh gosh. Let me see if I have... Well, you can't see it real well. But let's see if you could see. Can you see that? This one says, wishing you a lifetime of love. Happy Valentine's Day. Some little flowers. A little bee. A cute thank you in script. This one says, let's be friends. Oh, there's this lined heart. It says, with love. In the middle it says, for you, but that's a separate stamp. There's a little flower there. This one says, handmade. This one says, be mine. And then these are all flowers, and this is a little, like runner. So, how cool is that? I don't think you could really see much better there, but neat, neat. The color is mint macaron. So we've got that. And what else do we have here? Let's open this up. Okay, so just so you know, they did put in these extra glue dots. I heard there was something wrong with these glue dots, so they already replaced them. So you'll get 2 sets of glue dots in there. Let's see here. You know, even though you're a demonstrator, we don't find out in advance. I think there's been one time where I've seen it in advance, and that was last October. And that was because I met with one of the people from Stampin' Up! And she happened to have it. That's the only way I was able to find that out. But other than that, we don't get to find out, so we're just as surprised as you are. So let's look at the pictures here. Oh, it's called I'll Be Yours. And there's little packets. And there's little cards. So it makes 10 cards and envelopes. So, 10 cards and envelopes and 20 treat bags. You guys, there's enough to make 30 different items here. How cool. Let's check out these pieces. We've got some little flowers. They're kind of like opalescent of a coral and a purple. Very cool. This is kind of like a little bit of Grapefruit Grove almost. And then this one's kind of like Highland Heather. So really pretty. We've got, oh, these are the bags. These are the treat bags. I was going to say, we've got envelopes. So we've got little, looks like 3x3 envelopes. Maybe. We've got some great envelopes there. And then these are little treat bags here. And those, I don't know if you could see, but those flowers, oh, there you go. Can you see? They're kind of shiny. Neat. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a live where we're going to put these together live and then do some alternatives. I've decided I'm going to do those on the 21st of each month. That gives everybody enough time to get theirs in the mail. We've got, oh, they're all the same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they're all going to be exactly the same. These are the little cards. So what I do is after I unbox this, I put it away. I put it right back in the box and I set it aside until the 21st. And I think the time is going to be 5 p.m. Eastern time. So, not Eastern, I'm lying. 5 p.m. Pacific time. And that'll give 5 p.m. there, 6 p.m., 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern. So we've got these little round circles with some little bees and some little squares there. These are all the same, and they are just punch outs. So they're not stickers or anything, but look at all these bees. What are we going to do with so many bees? I cannot wait. We've got hearts. Oh, and these are they look to be the same size as the punch. So we've got a bunch of purple hearts, and then this is that a Rococo Rose? Yeah, I'm thinking a Highland Heather and a Rococo Rose on here. So we've got a bunch of those. And then we've got some labels as well. These have a little hole in them, see? Like that. So cool. And then in here, we've got some twine, some white baker's twine, some dimensionals, mini dimensionals, and then these are some more glue dots. But again, I heard something was wrong with the glue dots, so they've already replaced those. So that's it, you guys. So what I'm going to do is we'll do the live. It'll be on YouTube. I may even have one simultaneously on Facebook, just using 2 different cameras, one for YouTube and one for Facebook, because I want to try and do Facebook Live. So some of you guys have asked about that. So this will be fun. We'll put them together, and then we'll do some alternatives, and I'll bring out the heart punch so we can use that as well. And I think we are going to have some fun. So make sure, if you'd like to put your paper pumpkin together with me, I would love to have that. So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm trying to do some more giveaways. And this isn't going to be necessarily a giveaway as much as it is a freebie to all of my, maybe an incentive. Let's call it an incentive, because it's not going to be really free. But if you are a brand new Paper Pumpkin subscriber, or if you are resubscribing and you've, canceled in the past and now want to get Paper Pumpkin again, I will be giving away to the first, let's say, 10 people who order their Paper Pumpkin. I will send you an additional Paper Pumpkin of one of the past Paper Pumpkins, which I know has 2 stamp sets in it. So it's a great deal. So it's kind of like a buy one, get one free. So if you buy any subscription to Paper Pumpkin this month, from now until February 10th, the first 10 people who do that, I will send you another Paper Pumpkin box as soon as you order. So you can order it today, and I will put it in the mail on Monday, and you'll get it next week. But of course, your next Paper Pumpkin, your February Paper Pumpkin, you'll get on its regular scheduled time. So, alrighty, I cannot wait. So this is only open to U.S. People, and it's only open to my people who order through me. And if I get an overwhelming response, I'll make it right. Alrighty. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you are not on my newsletter and you'd like to be, go to beautyandthestamper.com and go ahead and sign up for my newsletter. Also, if you do order anything, make sure you use the January host code. And if you are going to buy Paper Pumpkin and you know that you want it for at least 3 months, you guys get the 3-month subscription so that you can get a free celebration item. I want you guys to get as much as you can because I love Stampin' Up! And I love sharing what I do. And so I hope you guys will like it too. Alright, I'm going to quit talking. I'm going to make some more videos because I want to talk to you guys so much. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already so we can talk again. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, I lost my voice on that one. Again, bye.